right?
No, and I can't.
But shut up.
First,
I see it.
then let's try hit one.
I see it in the. I don't need the binoculars to see it now. We are in our front yard.
What is that? Hit it. Erich, it's yours right there.
Why'd you put it there?
Who, me?
Yeah. Yo, she's yellow.
How can I take photos?
That's her daughter now. That's her daughter.
was right. See what in between those girls waiting frantically over there.
Oh, okay.
You see her? Patrick! He looking.
Good morning. Good morning. We're very proud to have you here for such a special occasion. Good morning to the graduating class. My name is Dr. Gerald Burton, and I am the Chief Marshal for these activities and the guide for the ceremony. N. Moore Jr.
Thank you very much, Dr. Burton. To the members of our Board of Visitors, our clergy present, elected officials, our platform guests, our honorees, other public officials, to the illustrious faculty of Virginia State University, our staff and administrators, to the graduating class of the year 2000. To their family and friends that are gathered here, I bid you welcome to Virginia State University. It is indeed wonderful to see so many of you gathered here today. And it gives me great pleasure to greet you this morning as the 12th president of Virginia State University. Today marks my 7th commencement, and I am very proud of the class of 2000. It has a very special member in its midst to me. And I am pleased to share with your pride as you end one of the phases of your education and look forward to the beginning of others. At this time, I would ask the Reverend James G. Danley, our United Methodist Campus Minister, to open our ceremony.
As we gather on this historic and very happy occasion, as we join in with celebrating this class of 2000, there is a reality check that we need to be aware of. This week, one of our family, young Ivory Harrison, was struck down by an act of violence. She had just completed her sophomore year. She will not be able to share in your joy. So her blues will not be your blues, but we all will have some blues to face. So would you bow with me in recognition of this moment? Breathe on us, O breath of God, that we, your creatures, might thank you for this privilege called life. We celebrate it with all of its vicissitudes, its ups and its downs, its joys and its pains, its celebratory moments and those moments of sadness. We ask that your Spirit might continue to invigorate us and renew us and allow us to go on in spite of the difficulties we face. We sorrow with this family, even while we celebrate with these who are gathered today. And of all of this, we do give you praise, for you alone art worthy of our praise. We thank you for these graduates who have dipped long and hard and who have persevered to see this day. We ask that you might continue to walk with them, continue to anoint them and breathe on them, that they might be shining lights into the community, into the world that they will go out into. that the path they blaze might be bright for others to follow, that the challenges they face might be courageous ones, that they might be moral beacons, beckoning lights, calling unto us out of our darknesses. And for these things we will give you praise, for you alone are worthy of praise. Amen.
Hard-working Board of Visitors that guides the university through the perilous waters of the 21st century. Today, representing the board and its members, I am extremely honored to introduce to you our rector, Dr. Ronald C. Johnson, who has served the university in many capacities to include its foundation as chair, and now as chair, that's what rector means, of our Board of Visitors. Please join me in applauding Dr. Johnson as he brings you greetings from our board and our governor. Dr. Johnson, please.
Of our Governor, James Gilmore, the Secretary of Education, and nearby, bear witness to this verse today. By now you're probably a little tired and you're getting a little wet.
Try to look all pretty in the rain.
And you're probably very anxious for the final moment when your special person walks across and taking the time to avail yourself to all the fine amenities and services that President Moore has provided for you under his leadership and with the support of his very fine staff. The campus is looking, sounding, and feeling much better all the time.
That's where she get the umbrella from.
We do hope that you'll have time to visit the remodeled buildings and all the other improved facilities on our campus. Now, these candidates seated before us today have labored diligently and faithfully to complete the requirements for graduation. Some have worked full-time jobs, part-time jobs. Some have left for a short time and returned. Some did not even know if they could make ends meet. Some have experienced tragedy in their families and they have lost loved ones as well. Yet through it all, they have persevered. And they come down to this great moment in time, their commencement of a new beginning. What a great accomplishment. And we should recognize these graduates right now. To the graduates, your success today could not have been possible without the endearing love, nurturing of this great faculty, which remains steadfastly dedicated to academic excellence and the holistic preparation of each of you to meet the uncharted and unknown challenges of this new technology age. You know, there is something uniquely and profoundly amazing about the special relationship that exists between faculty, this faculty, and the students here at Virginia State. I really can't describe it. It just is. It was here some 30 years ago when I sat where you are sitting today. This faculty-student relationship embodies what is truly great about Virginia State University. And parents, your sons and daughters, in fact all of us, owe a debt of gratitude to this fine faculty of learned men and women. So again, on behalf of President and Mrs. Moore and the Board of Visitors, we are grateful for your presence and support as we usher these enthusiastic graduates into a new and exciting phase of their lives. Graduates, this is your day. You need no welcome. You are the reason we celebrate and we salute your great accomplishments so far. To whom much is given, much is required. And let me just thank, on a personal note, Kimberly and Elizabeth for always making my stay at the Omni Hotel a great one. It has been said that the greatest achievement of all of you today is sitting through long commencement exercises. And with that, I will take my seat. Good morning.
class in reunion, our 50-year anniversary class of Virginia State.
The golden
Told you it's a senior class, baby.
That's a blessing still being.
50 years of dedication to our alma mater. At this time, the Virginia State
Yeah, I can see him from here, thanks.